it's way too much oil.
No, you got to get the cavity under. That's what it is. As soon as it gets in the cavity, right?
Oh shit.
I think once you get the cavity in, it'll be alright. There it is. It's pouring into the cavity now. Ooh, still might be too much oil. Well, you're right at the tip top, aren't you? Good thing the heat's not on.
That's too much oil.
Well, we just need an oil sucker. We can get that oil out of there somehow, Chen.
How long does it take? How am I going to get this off of here?
Go, there you go.
Just like that?
That's what Will was wondering, he said.
What do you need, a big old mug or something?
I think we just let it go like that for a while and then get the oil out.
Too.
Let's see your safety glasses.
I wish I could get some of it out though.
We can. Let's do it.